1. Fundamental Rights. Introduction. Fundamental rights are the basic rights and freedoms of every person. They are protected by the Constitution and ensure equality, dignity, and justice. These rights help people live freely and safely. Story type example: imagine a small town called Greenfield. The town creates a constitution that protects every citizen's basic rights, such as freedom of speech, education, and equal treatment. Everyone feels safe because the law protects their rights. 2. Meaning of fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are legal rights guaranteed by the Constitution. They protect people from unfair treatment and ensure everyone is treated equally. Story type example: Emma wants to suggest improvements for the town park. Some people try to stop her, but the Constitution protects her freedom of speech. She shares her ideas, and the town council listens. 3. Equality and freedom. Fundamental rights guarantee equality and freedom for everyone. No one should face discrimination because of race, religion, gender, language, or social status. Story type example: Daniel and Sarah apply to join the Greenfield Science Club. Although they come from different backgrounds, both are accepted because everyone has equal rights. 4. Protection from unfair treatment. Fundamental rights protect people from discrimination, unlawful actions, and abuse of power. Governments and officials must respect these rights. Story type example: a government officer tries to close a family's shop without a legal reason. The family goes to court, and the judge protects their rights. The shop remains open. 5. Freedom of speech and religion. Fundamental rights allow people to express their opinions and practice their religion freely without discrimination. Story type example: during Greenfield's community festival, people from different religions celebrate together. Everyone respects each other's beliefs, creating unity and friendship. 6. Protection by the courts. Courts protect fundamental rights. If someone's rights are violated, they can ask the court for justice. Story type example: a newspaper reports problems in Greenfield. A town official tries to close it. The court protects the newspaper's freedom of expression, allowing it to continue publishing. 7. Importance in society. Fundamental rights promote democracy, equality, and respect. They help build a peaceful society where everyone can live with dignity and freedom. Story type example: because people in Greenfield know their rights are protected, they respect one another and solve problems peacefully. The town becomes a happy community. 8. Conclusion. Fundamental rights are the basic freedoms every person deserves. They protect equality, dignity, and justice, helping create a fair and democratic society. Story type example: the people of Greenfield know their rights are protected equally. As a result, the town remains peaceful, united, and prosperous.